a woman in a male-dominated industry, it's both challenging and it's also very exciting at the same time. It has nothing to do with gender. It's all about having the capabilities, having the abilities, and having the skills to do the job.
عشقي للهندسة وعالم السيارات موجود عندي من لما كنت في المدرسة، وما عمري فكرت إنه كوني امرأة ممكن يشكل عائق قدام تحقيق طموحاتي.
Work is a great place to work. It gives us the opportunity to continue learning every day about our career. Diversity and inclusion is an important pillar of our culture transformation plan.
If we're innovating every day in everything we do, then the world's just going to grow in every way. What you see, how people communicate, and I think that's why it's not just a buzzword, it's a way of living.
One day when I saw our car on the road, knowing I had a part in it, and really proud of that one. I feel so proud every time I can solve chronic problem and make difference for our customer in the field and in production line. Everyone here make me feel very warm. They teach me a lot of great things that I never known before.
For me, it is not about an external factor. I still can feel that my voice is heard by the other. I still have a confidence when I have to speak out or stay strong on what is right.
I think women radiate power all the time. We do it when we smile and helping other people. I enjoy that I have freedom to think of new ideas and actually be able to implement it.
Women should display their resilience to brand themselves, so the profoundness in your passion will bring out a lot of innovative solutions. That is an essential element in success we frame.
الطريق ما كانت سهلة، لكن مع الإصرار والتعب والمثابرة ووجود شركات مثل فورد اللي بتعطي فرص متساوية للجميع قدرت إني أوصل لهون، وطموحي أكيد ما رح يوقف هون.